The Flinders Ranges is an example of a very old and ancient area within Australia. It's just really special, you know, when you're driving in from Adelaide, you're driving out over the flat, open plains, and then all of a sudden, bang, there's this fantastic mountain range with all the different colours, you know, blue sky, the green trees, orange rocks. It changes every minute when you look at it, you know, it's just fantastic. The main reason I come here is for the bird life. We've got Port Lincoln ringneck parrots. They're really nicely coloured with black, blue, red, green. And we've got a very special short-tailed grasswren that inhabits the spinifex covered slopes of the hills here. The clumps of spinifex, you know, they're about 2 feet high, and it's really spiky grass, you know. You put your hand on it, it hurts. It's a thrill to do this search, and it's even more thrilling to eventually find them and share that excitement of finding these birds. They've got real character, these birds. They're just really attractive, I think. When you see them close up, they're actually quite intricately patterned. They've got, you know, moustaches, they've got a white little throat, they've got striping on the chest. I've been bird watching since I was 9. I don't know a life without bird watching. It's taken me all over the world, and I keep coming back to the Flinders Ranges to see the short-tailed grasswren. It's the thrill of the chase to find them, and it's then the actual knowing that they're still there and that they represent, you know, the top level of the ecosystem, so we know that things are okay here.